Welcome back. So in this lecture, you're gonna learn how to find your targeted audience. I hope you're excited. Let's dive into it. Now, in order to understand how to find our targeted audience and just how important it is, let me show you how most people do their marketing. Okay, so most people have a product or service to sell. And in this example, we're going to use a gym membership. So we're looking to sell a gym membership to as many people as we can. So what most people will do in this situation is that they will market to everyone because they think the more people they market to, the better results they're going to have. So they're putting their time and money and energy into marketing everywhere. Now, the problem with that is that not everyone is interested in your product or service. So, for example, here, selling our gym membership, only 2 people are actually interested in buying that gym membership, and that is Mark and that is Lisa, because they are the only people out of these 5 who are actually working out. So that means that only 2 out of 5 people are being properly marketed to. You're wasting your time, money, and energy here. And that is the biggest problem that people do in their marketing. Now, what we need to do instead is find more people like Mark and Lisa. We need to look at Mark and Lisa and understand their demographics. Demographics meaning that we have to understand what is the gender that is most interested in your product or service. What are the age span? Are they 18 to 24 years old? What are maybe 30 to 40 years old? 50 to 60 years old? What are their family statuses? What are their income statuses? When we understand this, we can understand who our audience actually is. So with this information, we can create something known as a buyer persona. Now, a buyer persona is your ideal customer. That is the customer that is most likely to buy your product or services. It contains all of the information such as the most represented gender, age, family status, and income status. So with this information, that means that instead of marketing to everyone like most people do, we now have a buyer persona, an ideal customer, which means that instead of hitting 2 out of 5 people, we can now market to 5 out of 5 people because we understand who our targeted audience is. And that is one of the biggest secrets to effective marketing. So in the next lecture, you're gonna learn how to create your buyer persona in order to take your marketing to the next level. See you in the next lecture.